Um, yes. Yes. Mhm. Yes. 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 Mm. Yes. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yes. 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 Hello. Hello. Mm. Yes. 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 Mm. Yes. Hello. Yes. Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Hello. I can. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me now? Yes, I can. Yes. Mm. 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 Yes. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yes. Yes. Mm. Yes. 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 Hello. Hello. Yes. 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 Yes, I can.
So this is the first one. Let me go to the second one.
Mm.
The curve y equal to this has turning points at x equal to alpha and x equal to beta, where beta is greater than alpha. Right?
Yeah.
Now, what is the meaning of turning point?
There is the point, the lowest or maximum point, but
What is turning point?
it's when you differentiate it and the gradient is equal to 0.
Hello,
Yes, it's when the gradient is equal to 0.
Vedant, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes. Yes, I can. Yes.
Able to hear me? Yeah?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Okay. Uh, Turning point. What is the meaning of turning point?
It's where the when you differentiate it, the gradient is equal to 0.
Maxima or minima.
Mm. Mm.
That means f dash x will be equal to 0.
Yes.
So y dash will be 3x square minus 6. This has to be equal to 0.
Mm.
So that means 3x square is 6, x square is 2. So
Yes.
x is
Plus minus root 2.
minus root 2.
Mm.
So these are the points where uh, this would be maxima or minima. And beta is greater than alpha. That means alpha is minus root 2 and beta is plus root.
Root. Mm.
So now you have to integrate this function between these two limits. Minus root 2 to root 2. X cube minus 6x plus 3 dx.
Mm.
That means integral of x cube dx is x4 by 4 minus 6x square by 2 plus 3x. This goes from minus root 2 to plus root 2.
Mm.
So root 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2, 4 by 4 is 1,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Minus 3x square. That means 3 into 2, 6. So minus 6. Then 3 into root 2 plus 3 into root 2 minus root 2 to the power 4 again will give you 4 by 4, 1. Then minus 2 into 2, 6. Then minus 3 root 2. So the first two terms will get cancelled. The last one, 3 root 2, plus 3 root 2, 6 root 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Just switching off my video. AP and a convergent GP each have the first term 1 by 2.
Yes.
Sum of the second terms of the two progression is half. Sum of the third terms of the two progression is 1 by 8. What is the sum to infinity of the GP? So let the AP be half plus B, half plus 2B, etc. This is my AP.
Hmm.
And let the GP will be half into R, half into R square, etc. Where R has to be, since it's convergent, so R has to be less than 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
1 greater than 0. So
Yes.
this is the condition. Right?
Hmm.
So sum of second terms of the two progression is half. That means half plus B plus half R is half.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
So half cancelled. So that means R by 2 is minus B, or R is minus 2B.
Yes. Hmm.
Right?
Yes.
Sum of the third terms is 1 by 8. What are the third terms? Half plus 2D plus half R square is 1 by 8. Now what is R? R is minus 2D. So R square will be 4D square. So half plus 2D plus half into 4D square, that means 2D square minus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Now multiply throughout by 8, you get 4 plus 16D plus 16D square minus 1 equal to 0. Or 16D square plus 16D plus 3 equal to 0. So D will be minus 16 plus minus root over of 256 minus 64 into 3, 12, 12 into 16, 192 by 32. So this is 56 plus 8, 64. Root over 64 is 8. So minus 16 plus minus 8 by 32. So minus 16 minus 16 plus 8 would be minus 8 by 32, which is minus 1 by 4, or minus 24 by 32, which is minus 3 by 4. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So therefore, my R will be, if I take the first one, minus 1 by 4, right? Then R becomes minus 2 by minus 4, which is 1 by 2.
Hmm.
If I take the second one, this becomes plus 3 by 2. Right? So
Yes.
this cannot be the case because R has to be between 0 and 1. So the solution is R is half. So therefore, the series becomes half, 1/4, 1/8, like this, right? And this would be half into 1 by 1 minus half, which is 1 by 2 into 1 by half, which is 1.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, in the minimum of this function. How to approach this?
Okay. So,
Hello.
hello. Yes.
How to approach this one? Iran?
Okay. So you can change it the second term into 8 multiplied by minus 2 to the power of x, and then change minus 2 to the power of x equal to y and solve the quadratic equation.
Yes. So a square minus 8a plus 4. Right? This is my function.
Yes.
Right? So if you have to minimize this, what do you have to do? Arrange it in the form of a square. Difference of squares.
Yes.
So a square minus 8a, that means I need a 4 square.
So a minus 4 squared minus 12.
Minus 2 plus 4.
Mm.
So this gives you a square, a minus 4 square
minus 12.
minus 12.
Mm.
So I need the minima value of this. Minima will happen when the first term will go to 0.
Yes.
So that is minus 12.
Mm.
Yeah?
Yes.
Just a second. Yes, a will be 4. That means x will be 2, right? Function f is such that f of mn is equal to fm into fn if m into n is a multiple. And this would be mn if mn is not a multiple of 3. For all positive integers, mn, n. Given that this is 0, what? So how do we approach this? Look at the first one. F of mn is fm into fn, fn if mn is a multiple of 3. Now look at f9. f9 will be 9 is a multiple of 3. So this will be f3 into f3, which is f3 square.
Yes.
Then f16. F16 will be f 16 is not a multiple of 3, so this will be equal to mn. So f16 will be equal to simply 16, right?
Yeah.
F24. F24 will be f what? 3 into 8?
Yes.
F3 into F8. Now, if this will be F8 will be equal to simply 8. So 8F3. So therefore, this becomes F3 square plus 16 minus 8F3. Right?
Yes.
Equal to 0. So this is the quadratic in F3. So F3 will be 8 plus minus root over of uh, 64 minus 64 by 2, which is 4.
Mm. Yep.
Yes?
Yes. Yep.
Fx is cos x plus 3 by 7 plus 5 cos x minus sin square x. Find the positive difference between the maximum and minimum values of fx.
Mm. Mm.
So first of all, we have to find the maxima and minima. Right? So how to approach this?
Um, okay, so you can change the sine squared to 1 minus cos squared x.
Okay. So first let us simplify this. 7 plus 5 cos x minus 1 minus cos square x.
Yeah.
So which is cos square x plus 5 cos x. 7 minus 1 is plus 6.
Mm.
So this is cos x plus 2 into cos x plus 3.
Yeah. And then
Now,
the cos x plus 3, they cancel out, so it's just 1 over cos x plus 3. Yeah.
So therefore, fx will be simply 1 by cos x plus 2. Right?
Yeah.
So that means the maximum will depend on the value of fx only.
Mm.
So
Yes.
f max will be
Mm.
1 by 1 plus 2, which is 1/3. And f min will be, no, sorry. So one value
F
will
max will be 1, F min will be
1/3, yes. And the other value would be 1.
yeah.
So this is f max and this would be f min.
Mm. Yeah.
Difference would be
2/3.
2/3.
Yeah.
Okay. Function f is such that f0 is 0 and xfx is greater than 0 for all non-zero values of x. Given that integral of this is 4, integral of this is 8, and evaluate integral of this.
Mm. 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 Yeah, and it just cuts randomly. Maybe.
So how to approach this?
Um, well, mm,
F0 is 0,
mm,
right? And xfx is greater than 0
yes,
for all non-zero values of x,
yes,
right?
yes,
So given that this integral is 4 and this integral is 8, we need this integral from 0 minus 2 to 0,
yes,
right?
yes,
So therefore, we can do is we can take the values of fx. First of all, let's understand the function fx. So f0 is 0. That means this is 1 point, right? And x into fx is greater than 0 for all non-zero values of x.
Mm.
So when x is positive, right, then this is positive and the product is positive. That means fx has to be positive. Right?
yes, yes,
So here fx has to be positive.
yes,
And when x is negative, this is negative. So fx has to be negative. So this has to be negative.
yes,
Correct?
yes,
So that means this would be in the first quadrant. This would be in the third quadrant. When x is negative, fx is also negative. Right? Now we are looking for so in minus to 0, negative, right? So that means I'm taking the mod of that. That means I'm going to the first quadrant,
yes,
right? So basically, I'm trying to do this will be equal to integral of 0 to 2 fx dx. That means I'm taking it in the first quadrant.
Mm.
Correct?
yes,
Now, the first case tells me, the first integral tells me that integral of minus 2 to plus 2 fx dx is 4. So I can break this out into minus 2 to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 2 fx dx.
yes, yes,
Now, when I'm doing minus 2 to 0 fx dx, here x is negative, right?
yes,
Fx is also negative, so I'm taking the modulus of that.
yes, yes,
So that means I'm making fx positive here, here.
yes,
So that means uh, from minus 2 to 0, this would be modulus of fx. That means it will be the same as, so this would be modulus fx dx plus 0 to 2. Here fx is positive, so it will be simply fx dx. Okay. So this is 8, this is 4. Right? And I need this one. right? So second, so if I add the two, then I get 8 plus 4, 12 equals integral of minus 2 to 0 of fx dx plus integral of minus 2 to 0 mod fx dx plus 2 times integral 0 to 2 fx dx, right? Now, here, when x is negative, fx is also negative, right? But here I'm taking the positive of that. That means these two will cancel out. This will be a negative value. This will be a positive value. Same, right? So these two will get cancelled. So therefore, 2 times integral 0 to 2 fx dx becomes equal to 12, or this becomes equal. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Line y equal to 2x plus 3 and the curve y equal to this at exactly 1 point, meets exactly at 1 point. This, the curve meets at 1 point, that means it's a tangent to this. The second line also meets the curve this at exactly 1 point. What is the value of b minus c? So there can be another tangent like this. Right? So that means if I solve this and this equation, right, then I should get only one solution because it's a tangent. So therefore, the solution to the equation x square plus bx plus c. So x square plus b minus 2 into x plus c minus 3 equal to 0. We'll have only one solution. That discriminant will be equal to 0. So b minus 2 square should be equal to 4 into c minus 3. Right?
Yeah.
By the same logic, the second one will also x square plus bx plus c equals 4x minus 2. Equal to c plus. I have two equations, right? And I need the value of b and b minus c. So let's simplify this. B square minus 4b plus c minus 12 minus 4c plus 16 equal to 0. And this one would be b square minus 8b plus 16 equals 4c plus 8. So b square minus 8b minus 4c plus 8 equal to 0. So now if I subtract one from the other, what do I get? So if I subtract this one from this one, 4b minus 4c plus 16. So subtract 2 equal to 0. So minus 8b plus 4b is minus 4b. This one is 8 equal to 0. So 4b is equal to minus 8. B equal to minus 2. B is minus 2. Two equations to get C. Let me put it back here. So 4 minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. Minus 4C plus 16 equal to 0. So 4C is 16 plus 8. So minus 2 minus 9. Here? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Area enclosed by the graph. Right? So that x is 0, y is 1. So 0, comma 1. And what's important, x negative, y positive. So you take minus x plus y equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 1. Then you put x equal to 0, y is 1, and y is 0, x is minus 1.
Mm.
This will be, this. So basically, the area of a square is half into product of the diagonals. So the diagonal length is 2 and 2. So half into 2 into 2, which is 2. Use the trapezium rule with 3 strips to estimate this. So what is the trapezium rule?
Um,
If I have a function like this,
okay, so
then I want to
you
find the area between 2 points.
you draw the three lines, and then you assume
Yes,
that
basically I
the
have to
curve
break
is a line, and then you work out the area of that trapezium.
right.
Yeah.
Basically, I have to break it into 3
Yeah.
parts and treat them as trapeziums. find the area of each trapezium and add them up. Right?
Mm.
So here I have half to 2 log x dx.
Mm.
Right?
Yes.
So first of all, take out the 2. 2 into integral of half to 2 into log x to the base 10 dx. Right?
Yes.
Now, the graph of log x to the base 10 is what?
Um,
What kind of a graph it is?
um,
Log graph? Know the graphs, otherwise you cannot
yeah.
do questions like this. Log graph is graph like this. So this point is 1, 0. When x is 1, log is 0. Since this is base 10, so when x is 10, this would be 1.
Mm. Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes.
So this is my graph. Now I'm looking at this graph from between the points half, x equal to half, to x equal to 2. So that means from this point to